Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Roam Show, and I'm in my office. I've got my antenna on a stick put together, and I just got it hanging there for now. That is a window that's behind all that electronics, and most of the electronics are turned off. So that might not be a bad place. Plus, I'm in my office and I'm on the second story. So I have that advantage. But we'll see. The loop is about 25 inches in diameter. It comes with this cable right here. You can see it among them, my mess, which is about 23 feet. So that will allow me to move around and try it in various parts of my house. With my stick, I can hold it with that stick and see how it does. And I'll also take it down and hook it up to my radio in my radio room and take the antenna out the door and put it various places and see how it does that way. So um, here's what you get. Here's a better picture. And it's $49.99 on Amazon right now. I put it in my Amazon store, and so you can take the link in the description below any of my videos, and it will take it to my store, and you could buy it from my store. Now it's just Amazon. I just have a store page. So you're dealing with Amazon. Do you have to do a return or anything? You're dealing with Amazon. No problem. But I get a small commission if you take that link and buy this antenna or some birdseed. And that's what I use to buy things to show you. So that is my setup now. Going to be interesting. I had to do a little studying on there's a series of 3 switches here and 1 switch down here, and that's to make the various antenna configurations, such as the Mobius loop antenna, or the magnetic field antenna, or the electrostatic shield magnetic loop antenna. So we're going to try those. It's going to be a little cumbersome having to, and like I say, I'm going to try it where it's at so I don't have to hold it, but then I'm going to take it and bring it over close to my computer so I can see my screen. I'm going to use my SDR Play SDR. This one is that I have up here is the Duo, and that way I can get that graphic spectrum screen and actually see what's physically happening when I move the antenna around and change the configurations. This is should be interesting. I'm a little concerned about the power supply I found for it. It's not a regulated power supply, so I don't know if that's going to induce noise. I did some quick tests just to see if it's working, and it looks like it's not introducing any noise from the power supply, so that's good. So we're going to see. I want to thank GOOZEEZOO for sending me this. I'm sorry my setup is a little crude, shall we say, but we're going to have some fun here and try this out, see how it works. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.